Okay, I think I'm recording now, but I ain't sure. So, we gonna go inside the dollhouse with this camera and see what kind of pictures it takes. And this is the front door. We got a little doggy here guarding the front door. Set the camera in there. See what it does. Some of the presents done fell out in the hallway here. So this is the hallway. Why am I behind to my picture? This is the hallway. And over here is the living room with the Christmas tree all lit up. And the mantelpiece. And the fire's going. And I knocked Mama over, and I knocked this little boy over. And there's Daddy over there sitting in the chair. And this is the hallway we just came in. And this is where you go upstairs. So, why does it keep going off on me? This is a hall tree. And this is the dining room. And we go through this door, and we are in the kitchen. In the kitchen. Let's see if we got enough food in the refrigerator. Oh yes, we have food in the refrigerator. And there's our mop and broom. And we have canned food in the cabinet. We have a cake over there on the counter. Pots and pans up here. So let's go back and go upstairs. This is the way we go upstairs. But I ain't going to try to put this camera up there that way. So I'll just hop up to the next level, which is the next hallway upstairs. Hallway. And that goes up to another level. And this is the door to the bathroom, which does open. It opens and we go in there. And this is our bathroom. This is our bathroom. We have toothbrushes and towels and toilet paper. We got to have that toilet paper. And then I'll go back to this hallway and back into this bedroom over here, which is a door that opens up, and we are in this bedroom. We have a picture over the bed, and we also have a closet here that you can put stuff in. Then, if we go back to this hallway and we go up another level, we are on the 3rd floor. And I'm using this for a sewing room. And then in this door is a bedroom. We have another bedroom. And this room didn't have a closet, so I made a little wardrobe for it. Which has some clothes racks in there, but it's no clothes in there. And that's her little doggy and cat. And so we'll go back to the hallway, and this had to make do for a baby's room. We have twin babies here, a boy and a girl. And that's their little train. And here, there's no doorway. Well, yes, there is. You go out this door right here, and it brings you out here on the patio. Here. This door brings you on the patio. And this, we have hot dogs and hamburgers cooking on the grill here. And then, let's see, we have Santa Claus up there on the roof. I don't know how he's going to get his spats up down that chimney, but he thinks he is, so there you go. So that's about all of the dollhouse.